Welcome to the Safe Haven Academy. Today we are performing a cross-chain atomic swap using the SafeSwap web app. Before getting started, let's review several important points. When accessing SafeSwap, always ensure the URL is correct: app.safeswap.io. To perform a swap, users will need to connect a wallet on the source chain and connect the wallet on the destination chain. Lastly, if assistance is required while performing a swap, please visit the support tab where you will find frequently asked questions, links to our community chats, and more. Let's get started. In the From section, use the Blockchain Selector dropdown to choose the source blockchain. Repeat this process to select the destination blockchain in the To section. With the blockchain selected, it is time to connect the wallets. Click the Connect Wallet button in the From section. A pop-up will appear displaying the available connection options for the chosen blockchain. Select one and follow the prompts to connect the wallet. Repeat this process for the To section. Notice the current swap fees for the chosen blockchains displayed in each section. In the From section, click the Token Selector dropdown and make a selection. To the right, select the input and specify the number of tokens to swap. Notice the To section auto-populates how many tokens will be received. Click the Approve button and follow the wallet prompts to grant SafeSwap protocol permission to use the token for swapping. When visible, click the Swap button to initiate the swap. Confirm that a swap must be fully completed with the same device from start to finish by checking the box and then click Proceed to Swap. Take note, for security reasons, you'll have to confirm both the fee and transaction in both wallets. Review the required blockchain fees and click the Pay Fees button, following the on-screen prompts for each wallet. Upon completion, click the Create Swap button and follow the wallet prompts to approve the transaction of sending the tokens to the SafeSwap contract. After the required confirmations are met, perform the final step by clicking the Claim Funds button and following the wallet prompts. Once the transaction is complete, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Congratulations on successfully performing a cross-chain atomic swap. Please let us know in the comments below if there are additional videos you would like to see, or blockchains, wallets, and tokens you would like supported on SafeSwap.